I know I said I posted my last video last week, but I just couldn't help myself.
Well, hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic.
So I'm back with Creators Christmas, and this is an open house for content creators. We're just having fun. We're just doing Christmas DIYs. So for this one, I'm not going to be doing a lot of tutorial because you guys know how to craft already. And this is just for if you are doing your last minute decor and you say, oh, I need some more inspiration. Yes, that is what this playlist is all about, or at least my video. I'm not sure what the other creators are doing. But if you're in the mood for some crafting, last minute decor, then you've come to the right place. So as you saw, I painted this star, and if you don't have a wooden star, of course you can cut your star from cardboard, or you can use anything else that you have. Shop around your house, see what else you have that you can do your last minute decor crafting on or with. I had this graphic left off from my crafting over the months, and I just decided to use this on here. As you saw, I cut it out, and this is on the water slide decal. I placed that on there. I'm just using a piece of paper towel to damp off the excess water, using some Mod Podge to seal everything. Then flipped it over and add a piece of jute for hanging. So how is your Christmas going? Can you believe it? We are at the end of 2023, almost, actually. Just 2 more days for Christmas. Are your gifts wrapped and under the tree? Are you looking forward to some exciting gifts this year? And there you have it, guys. This one is done. Let me know what you think. So like I said, this is Creators Christmas, and we are just having fun. Our theme is merry and bright. We don't have a host. We don't have co-hosts or guest hosts or whoever. We're just having fun, crafting whatever we can or whatever comes to mind, just for your inspiration. Now for inspiration number 2. This is a wooden hat. I've crafted these for the past few months. If you missed my winter DIY video, I will link that one at the top. You can check out how I used these wooden beanies, and I will also link another video at the end to show you how I used it as well. And here I'm just using this classic green from Folk Art I got from PLAID. I am a PLAID ambassador. My link is in my description box. If you are interested in getting anything from PLAID, you can use my link. Or if Amazon works better for you, I also link this in my Amazon storefront in my description box below. You can purchase it there as well. But I'm absolutely falling in love with this paint already. These are my colors. And then to jazz it up a little bit more, I used a piece of my Chanel yarn from Dollar Tree and some stars. Is this your first time to my channel? Oh, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you clicking on that video and stopping in to enjoy me crafting today. And that's it for this little beanie hat. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me know what you think about it. You will see more of that in the final reveal. For our final inspiration, this is a part of a 2-piece tag that I got from Dollar Tree. I painted it with 2 coats of apple barrel acrylic white paint. And now I'm going to remove this little section with this little camper. And what I did, I took a dry chippy brush and I went around the border of the tag just to distress the edges just a little bit. I am going to apply the napkin to the tag, and if this is the first time you're seeing the napkin technique, what I'm doing, I'm just adding a little Mod Podge and spreading it very thin to the surface, and then I place the napkin over that, use my finger to smooth it out. You can also use a piece of parchment paper and some heat to reactivate that Mod Podge, but I'm only going to be using the heat gun. I didn't have my heat press plugged in, so the heat gun works just as fine. And then once you have secured that to the surface, you use a little bit more Mod Podge and just spread that on top of it to seal it. And that is the napkin decoupage technique. There are more napkin decoupage videos on my channel. You can check those out. But when I was done with that, I cut off 2 pieces of this boxwood pick, glued them down, and then this bow is another. I used one on the first DIY. This is the second. I just glue that on the top. I used a piece of baker's twine to make a loop for hanging. Then I took the black paint pen and wrote the word joy, and our little ornament is complete. Let me know what you think about this one, guys. Now we are ready for the final reveal. I want to take this moment and wish you and your family a Merry Christmas when it comes on Monday, and a prosperous 2024. If you would like to connect with me outside of YouTube or to help support my channel, you can scan that QR code or check my description box for the Linktree address. But thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Again, don't forget to check out the playlist to see what the other creators have created for you. And also don't forget to do all that YouTube stuff, like, share, comment. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, watch this video next or this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, until 2024. Bye!